Welcome to MooMooMath and Science and the prime factorization of 20 and 63. Prime factorization is the process of finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. Up first is 20. I will begin with 2 times 10. I will circle the 2 because 2 is prime. Next, 2 times 5 equals 10. I will circle both of them because they are prime. So the prime factorization of 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. Or you can write it in like this. Next, you have 63. 3 times 21 equals 63. I will circle the 3 because it is prime. Next, 3 times 7 equals 21. They are both prime, so I will circle them. So the prime factorization of 63 is 3 times 3 times 7, or you can write it like this. So there we go, the prime factorization of 20 and 63. Thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.